Good evening, everybody. Welcome to today's class. In our previous class, we talked about using the image tag or the image element in HTML, how to add image to your website, and how to specify the source, and also using other attributes known as the alternate text. So today, I'm going to introduce you guys a new concept known as HTML anchor tag. So most of the time, you go to a website, you see that when you click on a link on the website or you click on the text, it takes you to another web page or another link entirely. So for you to do that, you need to use of the anchor tag in HTML. So I'm going to be showing you guys that. So what we do first of all, look, like I said before, there are some tags that are self-enclosed, while there are other tags that requires an opening and a closing tag as well as the content of the element. So the anchor tag is a tag that requires the opening and the closing tag. In other words, it is not a self-enclosing tag, meaning you specify the opening tag, you also need to specify the closing tag. So what we'll do right now, we are still going to be using our previous source code for our previous class. So I just need to add to it. So what we'll do right now, I'll specify the opening tag here, this the opening tag for the anchor element, then forward slash another A here, which is the closing tag here. So let me just give it this text. No, you can modify it, you can change it to anything. You can call it click me. You can call this click me, or you can call it, let's say in this case now, let's give it the text known as take me to Amazon website. So let me save this here. Don't forget, it's not over. We still need to specify other attributes. In this case, what we specify here will determine the link the link or the web page we want this take me to Amazon website to lead us to. So don't forget to use the href here. Then equal to, but just to make your code neat, you can just give a space here. You can give a space here depending on you, or it doesn't really matter, but just to make your code neat. So href, don't forget the properties of an attribute. Attribute contains the attribute name, the import sign, and the attribute value, which is inside the quotation. So that we will not make mistake, let us go to Amazon website. So I'll just go to Amazon.com. So this is the website here. All I just need to do now is to copy this Ctrl C, or right click on it and click on copy any of them, whichever one works for you. Then I'll paste it here. As you can see, the href, this is the location where we want this particular take me to Amazon website to lead to. So this is the text. Don't forget, it can be anything, it can be take me to Amazon, or it can be Amazon. And don't forget also, when you see, if you go to a web page, you see different links. As you can see today's deal, customer service, registry, gift card, sale. These are various links on your web page, and that can also be made possible using the anchor tag. What it just means is that if I should click on today's deal here, which is the text, in this case, for instance, this is take me to Amazon website. I could also replace that text with hello guys, can you still hear me? If you can hear me, please type on the chat box. I'm having network difficulty here due to the rain. So please let me know. Just type on the chat box if you can hear me so that I can continue the class. All right. So welcome back. So like as I was saying before, you can see this take me to Amazon website. This is a link. This is the text that we display, and it will take us to this link we specified on the href attributes. So what I'll do right now is okay, can you guys see my screen right now? Can you see my screen? Please let me know if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, please let me know. All right. So welcome back. I don't know, today network is really, really terrible. So like I was saying, this is the text that is going to be displayed on your website. Take me to Amazon website. And when you click on the text, it will take you to this link or anything you specify. Don't forget, this can be a URL, a website link. This can also be a link to a web page. It can be a link to contact us. For instance, now, let me just cut this out first. Let me show you something. I could call this contact us, so that I have to now specify, I have to now replace this href to the contact us web page. I will have to like add the contact or the 5 parts of this contact us web page. Don't forget, in the website you have different people like contact us and the likes. So I could create a separate web page for the contact us page and add a link to my website. And what I'll do after that is that I will now create an anchor tag and I'll add it somewhere around this place on the navigation bar on the website, so that when you click on it, it will take you to the contact page of the website. So I just wanted to use that as an illustration so that you understand what I'm talking about. So what I'll do now, let me paste this back. So having done that, let's save this now. We've saved it already. So let me right click on it now. And let me open the browser. As you can see, ignore the location of the anchor tag. Ignore it for now. We are not trying to beautify the web page. I don't need to show you how the HTML element works. I could have sworn just add maybe a line break here. So what I'll do, I will just add a breaking tag here. Then I'll save this. Then all I just need to do now, come back to this place, then reload it. You can see now it's now at the bottom of where this HTML image is. So don't forget, we added the text, take me to Amazon website, and we added a link, a URL in which when we click on this particular take me to Amazon website, it takes us there. So what I'll do now, just what I have to, when I click on this, as you can see now, it takes us to Amazon web page, as you can see now. So these are the use of the anchor tag. So because of this 300 days of code, I also going deeper using the anchor tag. So that was all for today's class. So I just needed to introduce you guys to a new concept so that when you see, maybe let's say this website, for instance, now I should click on sell and it opens another web page. That's the use of the anchor tag. It's the function of the anchor tag. So the anchor tag does that. You understand? So if you click on sell, you see it take you to another web page entirely, whereby you become an Amazon seller. Or if I should click on today's deal, for instance, it will open up another web page whereby I will see the deals for today, different products, as you can see, stuff like this. So this is it. So that's the use of the anchor tag. So what I'll do right now is I'll meet you guys. In case you have any questions, please feel free to ask questions. The network is kind of slowing down right now. So please, if you have any question, please feel free to unmute yourself and ask a question. So please unmute yourself if you have a question related to what I just told. So unmute yourself and ask please. Let me call on somebody. Mr. Daffy, if you are there, please unmute yourself and ask.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing great. So the class so far, how's it been for you? And concerning what I just taught you guys, do you have any questions concerning today's class?
For today's class, I didn't join the class early enough. I joined late, and I was having network issues also. So, but I understand they are talking about anchor tag.
Yes.
So I understand quite what you were saying. So
right.
I think my spare time I'll practice. Can you hear me?
It was lagging kind of. I can hear you now.
Oh.
Network is really terrible today. I don't know what's wrong.
I said
you said?
I said no question for now.
Okay,
No question
okay.
for now.
All right, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So is there another person that have anything to say, or if you have any question, please feel free to ask your question.
Good evening.
Good evening, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
I don't really have any question, but I just want to say that during and I actually practice this part with the free code camp
All right.
because I finished HTML. I was about to enter CSS, but I did not enter. I was
Okay.
just waiting for you to come back. So this was more like a recap of what I had earlier practiced when I was learning the HTML part of free code camp.
All right. All right.
So yeah, no
That's really
question.
nice. That's really nice because some persons actually they could read and learn on their own, but some other persons they would need somebody to teach them. So everybody is not the same. So it's good you've already done this particular section of HTML and it's like a revision for you. So just keep practicing. We are going to finish HTML very soon. Hopefully by the end of this month, we should be done with HTML. Then next month we start with CSS. So that's why I'm just trying to wrap everything up. So in case you've forgotten all the concepts we've learned before, please go back and relearn them because when I start the CSS section, I'm not going to be touching anything related to HTML or when you see me do a particular thing or add an image to a web page, I don't expect you to be asking me how did I add an image to a web page. So feel free to go back to all the videos that's hosted on the Discord server and watch them. And when you are learning, also endeavor to take notes so that it will save you time when you are trying to revise. So that was all. If there's any other person that have any question, please ask your question. And also after this class, I'm going to be sending a poll to the Telegram channel for you guys to like vote on it because sometimes when the turnout for the Zoom meeting, it's it's really poor. In some days, sometimes you have like one or two or three persons, and for us to make the most effective use of our time, my time and your time, I was considering two options. One of the option is I'll record the classes for the day before 8 p.m. By 8 p.m., I'll drop the link to the recorded video on the Discord server. So for those that are not able to attend the class, you can use it because I don't really see any point where I host a Zoom meeting. I know some persons will not attend, or most persons will not attend. Though it helps some persons to ask their question and to clarify their question while on the Zoom call. But time is of essence to everybody. I cherish my time and I also cherish you guys' time as well. So what I'll do after this class, I'm going to send a poll to the Telegram channel if you want us to continue the Zoom class or you prefer the recorded class without you attending the Zoom class. Then when you have any question, you could ask your question on the Discord server, not on the Telegram channel. Make sure your questions are being asked on the Discord server because I don't want the Telegram channel to be clogged with a whole lot of messages. So after the class, I'm going to send the poll to the Telegram channel. But if you have anything to say in regards to that now, please unmute yourself and say it if you have any contribution to make concerning this announcement I just made. So feel free to do that.
I wanted to say that if you are going to be recording the videos, you might probably just be having the Zoom class once a week because sometimes you might have questions that will need you to actually do it for us with your laptop there while we're watching.
All right.
That kind of thing. So maybe you can just be recording them and maybe once a week you could be having the Zoom call still instead of the Monday, Wednesday, Friday normal.
All right. All right. So no problem. Your suggestion is noted. Is there another person? All right. In the absence of that, okay, Kingsley.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing great. So how is the class
Welcome
been for
back.
you so far? Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, it's been great. It's
Okay.
been great. I didn't attend all through last weekend, and that's why I want to make this contribution. For somebody like me personally, I would
Okay.
prefer this class because it keeps me, it helps me to always be available and then to learn. I could remember the time we went to camp, it was difficult for me to follow this class because my day is usually very busy, and when I come back, I just want to rest. But when I remember that there is the class, I would need to attend, and by attending, I would need to learn what I need to learn per day. So it helps somebody like me personally. I don't know for others. Sometimes the video may not, you may be lazy to go back to the video, and then during the day I am extremely busy, so I may not even have time to go to the video. But sure, I would go with whatever works for everybody anyway.
All right, so your suggestion is noted. Thank you very much. So also endeavor to take the poll when I send to the Telegram channel. So let's see
No
how we
problem.
can accommodate everybody. So that
Sure.
will be all for this class. So see you guys on our next class is on Wednesday. See you guys on Wednesday. Then by the end of this week, we should have decided if we are going to continue Monday, Wednesday, Friday using Zoom or just recorded video. So endeavor to practice what you've learned and also have a fruitful week ahead. So see you guys on Wednesday. Bye bye.